Welcome back. The debate is over and the health care bill is now law. But how will it really impact the nation's businesses, both big and small? Walgreens CEO telling analysts today that the drug chain expects to benefit from the new law. Not all companies have the same rosy outlook, however. CNBC's Jane Wells is at an Italian restaurant in the San Fernando Valley with some answers for us. Hey, Jane.
Hi, Trish. This is Maria's Italian Kitchen. You know, confusion is the main word here. Caterpillar says the new health care law is going to cost it an extra $100 million. AK Steel's taking a $31 million non-cash charge just in this quarter. We called several other large companies. None of them want to talk about this. Maybe they're as confused as Madeline Alfano.
That's our fettuccine Alfredo right there.
Alfano runs Maria's Italian Kitchen, a chain of 9 restaurants in L.A. that employs 400 people, 80 of them full-time, 50 currently getting health insurance. She's put her expansion plans on hold until she can wade through the variety of numbers in this health care bill and figure out what she's actually going to be responsible for in the next 4 years. For example, if a waiter works part-time at 2 restaurants, which business covers him? And since she's already paying workers' comp, sick days, general liability, something's got to give if she has to expand current health care coverage to everyone.
It would cost over $120,000 a month or $1.4 million a year. We didn't make that. We don't make that much money. So we wouldn't survive.
I think it stinks.
Chris Broswell owns Mechanics Fabrication, and it's already struggling. He cannot afford health care, which means he could face penalties of $2 to $3 grand per employee in 4 years.
If they were to come to me tomorrow and say, you got to pay a $10,000 fine, it would be me and my son working here, nobody else. Because I haven't got $10,000 to put in it right now.
Now, some businesses could qualify for federal tax credits to help offset the premiums depending on how small they are and what the average salary is. But as Madeline Alfano points out, to qualify for a tax credit, you have to be profitable enough to pay taxes. Trish, we're going to have a whole lot more from her, if not now, momentarily in the next few minutes on the blog, funnybusiness.cnbc.com.
Okay, good stuff, Jane. You know, and I just spoke with the CEO of General Mills earlier, Kendall Powell, and he said that they were still in that evaluation stage trying to look at what healthcare might mean for his company. So an interesting perspective from the big and then from the small. Jane Wells, thank you so much.